Welcome to another episode of Q&A with BA. I'm Sarah. This is Clint Hansen.
Hello.
We're here to answer your questions. We hope you're having a lovely 2019 so far.
Yes.
Clint, are you having a lovely 2019 so far?
I am. The whole New Year's resolution thing is kind of driving me. I get it. I know.
Okay.
You know, but I needed to. I needed to reset. You know, health-wise and diet-wise and all that. But you know what? I'm being one of those people, which I don't think I should feel bad for. But because I think sometimes people that start things on as a New Year's resolution get a bad rap, like they're not going to stick with it.
Oh yeah.
But choosing a time of when you're going to decide to make a change in your life or something, I think that's fantastic. How's your 2019 going?
It's doing good. So I also have some New Year's resolutions. Yeah, well, one of them is to eat healthier. I won't go into detail, but just to eat healthier, more vegetables, less sugar. So we have a question today from a friend of ours who, once again, we're using a question from a friend who we've used their question before. Don't get upset, don't get jealous. This is from our friend, Just Passing Through again. Just Passing Through says, do you cant the VG6 Epsilon slightly clockwise? Slightly clockwise. There we go. Like some muzzle brakes that are installed. Canted. What do you think, Mr. Hansen?
No, you don't. I think I get where he's going with that.
What if you just ended it there and you're like, no, you don't? And then we did our second.
I would love to do that.
Okay, sorry.
See it.
Go ahead.
No, but I think I know where he's going with that. The VG6 and other muzzle devices, if it's meant to clock differently, they're going to give you directions in order to do that. But the way the Epsilon works, you know, all the slots and holes that are drilled in it, and the way it's machined is to function with your flats straight up and down. You'll also see on a lot of muzzle devices, you'll see a hole that's drilled already for the pin and weld. You know, that's also telling you that should be on the bottom. But as far as blast with that particular muzzle device, in case you're close to the ground or anything like that, the blast is going out and up mostly. Okay, so you do want that thing timed straight up and down. Okay, and there are directions with it, and you can find some stuff online as well. I think where it comes from, first thing that comes to mind for me is the slant comp that you see on AK-47s. And interestingly enough, fun fact, so that's canted off to the side to when you pull the trigger, and when recoil happens, it kind of goes into your hand, so you're pushing this way. They made it like that because they assumed that if you're left-handed, you're kind of wonky. So it's only for a right-handed shooter. So if you're shooting left-handed, it's going to pull away from you and kind of cause a problem.
Okay.
Weird, huh?
That is weird. Okay.
Yeah. I don't think they think that way anymore, but that's how it was when it was originated.
Okay. So they were trying to compensate.
So the force, you know, the revolution of the bullet, you know, and that comp in there, it's deflecting gas off of it, pushing into you so you can stay in control.
Interesting.
Right?
That's very weird.
Yeah.
Okay.
VG6 Epsilon, you don't do that with though.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Hansen.
You're welcome.
You're so wise.
I wouldn't go that far.
Thank you to our friend Just Passing Through for another fantastic question. Guys, don't be upset, don't be jealous, just keep sending us more questions. If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and click that little bell icon so that you get notified every time we post a new video. If you want to see this guy answer one of your questions, make sure to comment below. Oh yeah, tell us what your New Year's resolutions are. I want to hear what some of y'all's New Year's resolutions are, and if you have any encouraging words of wisdom or quotes or just something that helps you stick to your goals, share it. Let's talk about it.
Sure.
Thanks so much, guys. We cannot wait to see what you send us. We do new Q&A videos every Thursday. Do you want to do it just for fun?
What?
Do you want to do it?
What?
Do you want to say yeah?
No, hell no. No.
All right. You thought I'd ask. And if you want to see this guy answer one of your questions, comment below. We can't wait to hear wait, what? We can't wait to hear. Yeah, send us audio recordings on the comments below so that we can listen to you talk. No, just comment below. Just type it out. I'm fine, I promise. Actually, it's a little warm in here. Maybe I should take my sweatshirt off, but it looks so cool. Is my hair weird, Clint?
No, you're fine. Thank you.
Is it too poofy? Is it too weird?
Did you say floofy?
Yeah.
I think.
I just would know what it is though. I just made it up.
Okay.
You know what's a great word?
What?
Bouffant.
Bouffant?
Yes.
Isn't that like a car or a
Oh, maybe.
brand?
I don't know.
Bouffant.
But they use it a lot in Texas to describe women's hair.
Bouffant.
Yeah, bouffant. It's bouffant or big.
What the hell does it mean? Big?
Yeah, it's just big. You know, everything's
Bouffant.
big in Texas.
Bouffant. Big hair.
Big hair. It's a real thing there though.